We're gonna take my Honda Civic to the auto shop right now. They're gonna install my Skunk 2 headers and the full exhaust. Alright, see you later. Going to the shop right now. This is what the sounds like right now with a stock exhaust and a short ram intake. We're in third gear right now, and this is what's gonna sound like the difference from now and after. Alright, this is third. Short pulls up to fourth gear. Alright, see you later. Alright, we're at the gas station, had to get some gas. Just want to let you hear what it sounds like in the car with a stock exhaust. I'm gonna just rev it a little bit. That's with a stock exhaust. And then later on we'll do it again with the new Skunk 2 exhaust and headers. Alright, peace. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm here at the shop, the LDL Speed Shop. They're gonna install my Skunk 2 headers and full exhaust. Just a little bit. This is their shop. In the background. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, we just got the Skunk 2 headers installed. We're gonna do some pulls. Okay, here we go. First gear. Alright, I'll be right back. We're in a parking lot. We're gonna do a two-step with the Skunk 2 headers and full Skunk 2 full exhaust. This is what it sounds like in the cabin. Alright, that's what it sounds like in the cabin.